So, having said all that, I would now like to say, put the fucking crown on. Sit. 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 Look, just put the crown on. Just say, congratulations, I can't wait to see you when you get here. Congratulations, Jamie and Bahar. I can't wait to see you when you get here. For fuck's sake. What sort of an actress are you? Look, put the crown on. Sit. Notice that the tail's wagging. This isn't abuse. She's actually enjoying herself. Sit. 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 Clearly, she's not prepared to do the speech that we rehearsed earlier. So, that just leaves it for me to say, I'm very sorry I can't be there. Oh, now you want to be in it. We're very sorry that we can't be there to join you at your Turkish celebration. However, we will be thinking of you as we always do. That's not the dog. She's got no idea who you are. When I say we, I literally mean me. Enjoy yourselves. Have a wonderful time. I'm very, very sad I can't be there with you. But, you know, let's do something gorgeous when you get here. Love you both very, very much. Bahar, you know I'm very happy that you're joining us in the family. And James, I'm very proud of you. I love you both. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful celebration. And I look forward to seeing the pictures and the video and hearing all the crazy stories. Bye for now.